Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting the system. Create a restore point and a disk image, then export your EFI/ESB folder. Backups let you undo changes fast. Once done, reboot to UEFI, and if your chosen method requires it, disable Secure Boot. Make sure to note the change so you can re-enable later. Next, download the toolset. An image editor that saves 24-bit BMP, an EFI mounter, or Rufus for the ESB, plus Hack BGRT or Resource Hacker. Run PowerShell as administrator now to prepare files. You now create the actual asset and replace the resource. Convert your PNG or vector to a 24-bit BMP, crop or pad to the target aspect ratio so it won't stretch, test at screen size. Once ready, mount the EFI partition and copy the original boot files into a dated backup folder. Do not skip this. Next, launch Hack BGRT or Resource Hacker as administrator. Point it to the BMP, preview changes, and apply. If editing booters, DLL, change only the image resource and save a copy. You're ready to finalize. Apply the changes using the tool's commit function, unmount the EFI partition, then reboot. Observe the startup sequence. If the new logo appears, re-enter UEFI and re-enable Secure Boot if you had disabled it. Make sure Windows starts cleanly and check Event Viewer for any boot errors. If the system will not boot, use your recovery USB, open a command prompt. Mount the ESB and restore the exact backup copies you made. This single restore fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.